Now this is section A2, recognition, measurement, valuation, and disclosure. There are a lot of learning objectives in this section, massive amount. And you must cover them all in the textbook, on Kiso's textbook, starting with chapter 6 through to about chapter 20 actually. I have created a lot of notes, which I have uploaded notes on each of these sections. But in this video I just want to highlight the fact that there's so many learning objectives here. There are going to be 15 multiple choice questions on all of section A. And so what you must know in this area are a lot of terminologies and concepts with regards to assets, liabilities, equity. And here we're going to focus just on a few key ones. First of all, with asset valuations, you're going to have to identify the accounts receivable, the timing of the accounts receivable, how we set up the allowance for doubtful accounts, percentage of sales or percentage of receivables. You're going to have to know about factoring receivables and so on. In addition to that, you must know inventories, FIFO and LIFO, cost assumptions, and so on. There are a lot of notes that I've uploaded for you on those areas. And the other major area is revenue recognition. There's always seems to be a question or two on when we recognize revenue. And here you have to be careful, know the difference between percentage of completion and completed contract methods, and so on. So accounts receivable, inventory, revenue recognition are very important here. There's a section on the income tax, make sure you understand that. A little bit about leases, off-balance sheet financing, valuation of liabilities, things of that nature, equity transactions, and the difference between GAAP and IFRS. Now again, I do not believe there would be any kind of a case on any of the learning objectives here. There will only be multiple choice questions. And in that case, you must be very clear on defining just what these terms mean and the concept that lies behind them. Oh, make sure you know the lower of cost or market rule when it comes to inventories and the effect of inventory errors on the income statement and hence the balance sheet over a 2-year period. So those are the major items in this external financial reporting. Again, I just want to emphasize that there would only be 15 multiple choice questions in this area. Not likely will there be a case. If there is a case, as I said before, it'll probably be in analyzing a cash flow statement. So then again, there's a lot of reading. Get the Kiso textbook, any version of it, and go over that and go over the notes that I have posted.